Alright, so we're going to show you guys how to work on your Onyx Racing Products hubs today. You're going to need a couple of tools to do these procedures. Your first one being a bearing press kit. You can purchase these from Park Tool Wheels Manufacturing from your local bike shop or favorite online vendor. You'll need a bearing removal kit. We're going to be using a slide hammer for these videos. There's many different types you can purchase. This is probably the most convenient that we've found to use on our products. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver, a 2.5 millimeter Allen key, a 6 millimeter Allen key, an 8 millimeter Allen key, a 19 millimeter socket and ratchet. You'll need a set of snap ring pliers and a small non-marring hammer. Okay, now we're going to show you how to remove the axle assembly from your mountain bike's Centerlock rear hubs. This procedure is different from the 6-bolt version, as the axle system is a little bit different in this model. So you want to begin by removing the non-drive side end cap and finding the relief hole on the brake flange to access the pinch bolt on your bearing preload collar. You want to go ahead and loosen that one up. And you can guide using your hands or your 2.5 millimeter Allen key while rotating the drive side end cap to unthread the adjustment collar off the axle. Once you remove the bearing preload collar, you can now push out the driver and axle through the drive side of the hub. To remove the axle assembly from the free hub body, you'll want to use your 2.5 millimeter Allen key through the cross hole of the axle and your 19 millimeter socket to loosen the drive side end cap. Now, to reinstall the axle system on your mountain bike Centerlock rear hub, you want to begin by putting a small amount of blue thread lock on the drive side end of the axle and inserting through the free hub body. You want to follow it up by installing the drive side end cap using your 2.5 millimeter Allen key to hold the axle through the cross hole on the non-drive side and your 19 millimeter socket to snug up the end cap. Once that is snug, you want to insert through the drive side of the hub shell and giving a counterclockwise rotation to open up the clutches as you seat the free hub body into the hub. Once that is installed, you can now insert the bearing preload collar through the non-drive side. So you want to use the relief on the Centerlock brake flange to access the pinch bolt for your bearing preload collar and tighten using your 2.5 millimeter Allen key. Once that is snug, you can reinstall your non-drive end cap and you're complete.